Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully back with another video. This is going to be the market overview for the week of April 11th. Hope everybody had a good weekend. But you know, it's time to get to that money, so let's get it. It's my first time doing this as a video, so I will be doing this every week on a Sunday just to kind of give you guys an overview and what to expect going into the week. If you're not in the Telegram, join that now. It is free. I do give analysis usually Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday on gold and EU, so just check that out, totally free. Last week we hit it big, especially on Friday with the gold drop, so that was huge. So yeah, if you're interested, totally free, check it out, come through. But here we go, let's get it right now. All right, so gold, let's start on daily here. So ever since this swing high right here, we've been moving on up. And I called this TP1 right here and TP2 early last week. We did run through those levels. Next level here is 182 pips away. So it's pushing down as we speak. But I do expect it. Well, I will say this. I do expect it to run a few lows first. So we have some equal lows down here and down here that you'll see on the lower time frames. So I expect those to get ran and then possibly go for this. So yeah, I mean, logically this is closer, but there's been so much built up liquidity from this bull run that I do expect them to kind of stay in this range. Monday will tell a lot. So I mean, if we just drive through this price, then you know, for the rest of the week I'm going to be expecting probably bullish moves. But if we take these out, which we had a big drop on Friday, which looks more likely actually, I would say we're going for this. So let's go down to an H1. So I was telling everybody in the Telegram chat that even though we've been on this bull run, I did expect it to stall out right here and hold this high, which it did, and we got a nice drop, 200 pips or so. So we got a very nice drop. So we do have equal lows, engineered equal lows down here. We got some like right here. Yeah, kind of right here, these two. So I mean, there's definitely some downside targets that we have that we can run, which is internal liquidity before they decide to move back up, and it looks like that's what it's doing right now on the M15. So this could just drop and run these two levels. So going into New York session, because that's the best time to trade gold, guys, I would be looking for a stop hunt in M, railroad track, somewhere up in the discounted range. So if we take it from the low to the high, this is our range right now. So I would expect price, if we don't just free fall down, I do expect it to come up maybe to the equilibrium, a little bit past this Asia box, and then drive down, take these out, and then these out as well. So let's look out for that. I'm looking for sells going into Monday, but you know, the real trend doesn't start until Tuesday. So I mean, if you see the setup, I would take it. Buys not so much, but you know, we'll see going in New York. You do have to play it by ear as well, but I am looking for sells going into next week, into Monday. All right, let's go to EU. Start with the daily first. Let me get rid of this. All right, start from the daily. So EU's been a buy all week, and I'm not expecting anything different, honestly, because it's been a bull run. We got one day a drop, but that's, to me, unless this takes it out like right here, I'm not going to be bearish on it. I'm still going to be bullish, as we do have the next set of highs right here, and then we have some, you know, right here as well. So I will be looking out for that. I'm still a bull on EU, so I'm definitely buying EU if I see it. I go to the H1, looking at market structure. We do have some downside targets which it could go to. If it breaks, I'll say this: it could come from these lows here, but I'm not going to be bearish on it until it takes this out and stays in this area, because then obviously structure is going to be broken. It is kind of consolidating, but the momentum's been so high through the whole week. Like this is just beautiful market structure right here. You know, all of that. So yeah, so I'm still a bull for now. Let's see what happens on Monday, but this could come take these equal lows out and then pop back up. For our range, we can just take the low to the high right here. So if we get anywhere, let's go to M15 actually. So if we go anywhere in between the sell zone, low risk sell zone, I'm definitely selling all day. Stop loss is going to be, depending on where I'm at. If I'm at low risk, I actually wouldn't want to come above here. I mean, if it came to it, that's fine. If it comes up here and stalls, I start seeing some red candles, I'll put my stop loss above here. So depending on what it does, we'll see. I kind of would just wait for Tuesday to see how this one plays out, just because it's not a definite trend. It is kind of 50-50 at this point. I'm definitely still thinking it's coming for these areas right here, but I mean, hey, we don't know really. It could just come sweep this level, come right back up, which is pretty much what I'm thinking. So I would honestly, you know, in hindsight, I would honestly just go for this. I would just take it at these levels right here for a buy. If it sweeps this, comes back up, just go ahead and go for it. So there we go. So my opinion is just wait until Tuesday for EU, and let's see what kind of traps they set. US 30, I don't really put this in Telegram chat, but I do trade it, so I will share it with y'all. We are at pretty much all, we're at all-time highs. The crash on this is gonna be, it's gonna be marvelous, you know. So all-time highs, there's no ceiling right now. So I mean, as high as this goes, like I mean, we got a lot of room, I guess, on the chart, but I mean, realistically, there's no ceiling on it. So right now, I mean, just trade with caution. There's going to be so many people shorting it. So at some point, it's going to come down and crash. When that is, I don't know. As of right now, if you're riding the trend, I would just keep doing that. And as long as it's respecting structure, as long as you're respecting your lows and your highs, I would just honestly just keep buying. Because the ones who are selling are going to get killed trying to guess the tops, and any experienced trader knows tops and bottoms are for rookies. Don't try to guess tops and bottoms. You're gonna get killed. You're gonna blow your account like that. So no real technical, like super technical analysis on this. I mean, this is just gonna be play by ear until they show me that they're breaking like below like these levels. I'm not looking for any sells, period. So they have to convince me and come all the way down here, kind of stay around this area, and then I would say we be gunning for this area right here, and then, you know, we got some down here and a couple wicks like right here. I mean, that would be my first assumption, but they have to show me first that they want to come down here. Until then, I would only be looking for buys. So they come down here, respect the structure, and move back up, just keep on buying. So that's it. Pretty simple. Nothing crazy. My advice is always is to wait until Tuesday to start trading, but if you do want to trade Monday, at least you have an idea of what's going on. Best bet for me is gold. So like I said, if it comes up here to equilibrium, hold some of the structure and then drop, you know, I definitely would take a sell there. But until that, just wait until Tuesday and let's see how the market plays out, guys. Hope you guys like it. If you do like the analysis for the week, or for Monday at least, go ahead and drop a like. Please hit the subscribe button. I got over 50 now, which is cool. I know there's plenty of channels with thousands, but I'm definitely grateful and thankful for anybody who has subscribed. Also, real quick, we do have a masterclass for anybody looking to get into the FX mind shift. The owner, Jeff, he is dropping a masterclass. And really what it is it gets you up to speed with everything, all the concepts, all the terminology, all the setups. And he's going day by day, instructor led, answering questions. It's really great. He's done, I think this is the third one now. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. That link will be in the description as well. You can click on and join. There's an April class coming really soon, so don't wait on that. Besides that, hope everybody is blessed, has a great week. I will see you guys later. I will be dropping another video on lower time entry, the 1 minute and 5 minute. So that should come Tuesday or Wednesday, and then we'll see where we go from there. But I hope everybody has a safe week. Trade smart. Talk to you guys later. Peace.